Let me also pause to Rahul Easwar joining us on the phone line. Rahul, several times I have seen your words over the last few years when it comes to condemning such words like Allahbadia has said. Today, even as the Supreme Court gives conditional relief to him, Rahul, what the Supreme Court has said is his words are reprehensible. They will shame every parent, sister and mother. They've condemned it, and they've also said that he should ensure in this case that people do not misuse free speech.
Absolutely. As a complainant, I'm very happy for what Supreme Court did. Supreme Court has struck the right balance by granting him reprieve, but at the same point of time has schooled and educated and used the most scathing remarks in the recent judicial history. Supreme Court very rarely use words like dirt, or very rarely use such strong words like your words have shamed every parent, sister, mother. So it's very positive step. See, nobody wants to throw these youngsters in jail, but at the same point of time, they should learn the hard lesson, because millions and millions of our youngsters are watching these shows and they should not get wrong ideas. See, there are some Lakshmana Rekhas that no one should cross, whether it is family or every faith. Every faith should be respected, every family should be respected, and such kind of perverted joke with parents is absolutely horrible, and that's a line that no one should cross. I hope Supreme Court has guided our youngsters in a really good manner, and all the content creators in the orange economy will take note of this, and in future they will keep in mind that if they are crossing a line, we have a judicial system that will address them in the severest of manners.
Absolutely. And Rahul, I also want to draw the attention of the viewers and ask you this. The Supreme Court even questioned Abhinav Chandrachud in this case, who was the petitioner's lawyer, and said, are you defending the language he used? Even the petitioner's lawyer, Rahul, said, I am disgusted with the language. The Supreme Court said, what are the parameters of obscenity and vulgarity that are being used by him? It shows deprivation.
Absolutely, yes. And even a prominent advocate who is the son of a former Chief Justice had to face the wrath, because we all understand that is disgusting. There are no two ways about it. So there is no gray area in it. It is absolutely black. And we should take care that our youngsters don't follow model. And those who are also doing some kind of a cyberbullying and issuing death threat against Ranveer Allahbadia is doing the same mistake that he's doing. We should not bring his parents into this debate, because his parents are as sacred as anybody else's parents. So we should not bring them. No death threat. We should go the judicial way, teach them a lesson so that they will never follow this path. I hope they bounce back. They bounce back and do good content. But they should always remember their mind. There are some rekhas and some lines that nobody should cross. That is essential for the ethics, law and order of our society.
Okay. All right. So, Rahul, I thank you for being with us and joining us on this story. It is something that we'll continue coming back to you to get a sense of what happened, as you're also a complainant in the case.